All right, so you're about to start a landscaping project. I want to help you, and I'm going to show you a really cool renovation. And how we're going to do this is we're going to say, where do you even start when you are considering a landscaping project? What are some of the cool zones and transitions and ways to create interest with that project? And finally, how do you soften everything up? What's going on? I'm Bobby K. I'm a professional landscape designer, general contractor, and I was an installer for over 10 years. I probably installed well over 1,000 projects with these two hands, and from that, I bring a lot of experience, and I want to help you create the backyard, front yard, whatever kind of renovation you were looking to do of your dreams. Now, here's the thing. If you are considering going down this road and getting into a project, get a design. It's the biggest mistake people make is they don't get a design. Don't start with unfulfilled expectations, like not knowing what is going to happen and everybody's kind of guessing as it goes. That's the worst place to be. If you start with a design, that is how all of these beautiful things happen. That's exactly how this project happened. So what I want to do is talk about, well, when you are considering getting a design, what are some of the things that you should bring to your designer to make the process a lot easier? So the first thing when you are starting a landscaping project is you want to address what your challenges are. What are the things that are just causing you issues where you can't see the picture? The challenges here were actually quite significant, and here's what I want to lock on: the architecture of the house. This is actually a historical home. You got a historical carriage rebuild, but then you've got a modern pool. So we went from before the 1900s to right now. And how do you lock on creating an outdoor space that checks all the boxes? And what it's going to be is the color palette and the types of materials that you select. This is where a designer is going to be crucial in helping you figure out what's available in the market and what is going to work with this. But before you even get into the challenges, the next thing you want to do is you want to find out what are those materials and how are we going to fit them into this big piece. So we're gonna lock in on the architecture, the actual color and the stonework of this house. This is how you got a really good starting point as far as, well, what are the materials that we're gonna select? By going off the architecture, you're gonna pull the colors off of the house, and then you can start to implement these things. This is how you go from old to modern all in one. So here's what we did. We went with a company called Unilock. Unilock's got incredible pavers, incredible retaining wall, incredible hardscape materials that check all the boxes. And we wanted to lock on something that is gonna pull these colors, but at the same time goes with that modern pool. So we went over to a paver called Arcana, which has got all this beautiful speckle, and it's a little bit bigger, and we've got this almost subway tile effect. It's an 18 by 24. We also went over to a Ucara wall block. And this is a very smooth, slick, clean, and you see the black and the white contrast, and it's actually pulling off different architectural elements of the house. And then we even went with something that's a little bit more of that old world feel by going with a rock-faced cliff, like ledgestone cap. So now all of a sudden we went modern and went old school, which pulls into this. And look at the color of the window trimmings. You got black here, you got almost the creamy white, and we've got the tumbled texture. See what happened? By knowing the materials, knowing what's available, working with a designer who knows all of this stuff, you're going to be able to check all the boxes of why do you select these certain things and make it look awesome. So once you know the materials, once you've kind of addressed the challenges, it's really a conversation of, well, what do you want to create back here? We've got a cool fire pit lounge area. We took out some old landscaping that was in the way and kind of infringed on it. And then we transition out to a very open concept space. We got a beautiful inlay, almost like a rug out of a Unilock product here, which looks incredible. And the reason being is this couple has a lot of parties. We want to get into their lifestyle. They're going to have tabletops back here. We're going to put actual bistro lights out here. I believe he plays in a band, so you also got that. So getting into the lifestyle is also going to figure out how you lay all this stuff out. You got your challenges, you got your materials, and then you've got the lifestyle. And that is how you're going to lay out your backyard to figure out what's going to work for you. If you want some help with this is what we're here for. I would love to help you with the design. Start with the design. Don't ever take on something like this without a design. You're just going to open the door to frustration, problems, and burning up a bunch of cash. Horrible way to start. I want to help you. And if you want to see some more cool projects, go check out this link right here. Remember, start with the design, add value to your house, game over. This is Bobby K saying creation is everything, so go out and create. See you in the next video.